Let's go.
Spending at least 60 minutes in conversation with someone you care about an hour before bed can really help you sleep peacefully. One in every four adults will stay single for life. New study says 99% of your problems will become easy to handle if you sleep enough and if you maintain the same routine daily. The color purple is invented by our brains. It does not actually exist in nature. Study finds. Study says couples who marry between 28 and 32 have more stable relationships. Aliens may already live on Earth. Harvard researchers say. Scientists say sleeping with socks on helps you fall asleep faster. 97% women are in the wrong home because of money, and a lot of men are in the wrong marriages because of beauty. It took me 7 years to realize that even when you trust your close friends and family, never tell them everything. For the brain, watching short videos is 5 times more dangerous than consuming alcohol. Rivers never go reverse, so try to live like a river. Forget your past and focus on your future. Always be positive. A satisfied life is better than a successful life because our success is measured by others, but our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind, and heart. Nothing is coincidence. Every soul you meet is written in your destiny to teach you, to heal you, or to love you. Everything you do comes back to you. Do good, be good, because karma is real. In New Zealand, fruit trees are intentionally planted in public spaces like sidewalks and parks so anyone can pick fresh fruits. A lion's roar can be heard from 8 kilometers or 5 miles away. Hearing a single negative thing could damage at least 5 positive memories in your brain. I see many young boys going broke because they play the husband role too early in life. Study shows getting extra sleep on weekends can help you prevent heart attacks and reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 20%. 2 nights of bad sleep can make you feel 4 years older than you actually are. The human brain may mirror the universe. Some physicists and neurologists found that the structure of the neural network in your brain looks astonishingly similar to the large scale structure of the universe, suggesting nature repeats patterns across scales. Study shows your gut microbes literally talk to your brain and influence your behavior. Depression is not one thing. New research shows people with the same depression symptoms may have very different brain changes. According to science, laziness can be a sign of high intelligence. An extrovert is someone who is expressive and funny in texts but shy in person. Most husbands who listen to their wives' advice are the most successful men on earth. 5 minutes of anger can weaken your immune system for up to 4 to 5 hours. No one ever died from marrying late, but many have suffered from marrying wrong. Take your time, choose wisely.